After 10 years of my Mac OS, my husband and me decided to change because the software cannot cope up anymore. So we decided to change it, and then we found out that the one that we like is the Mac. No, it's not Mac, but it's a PC. It's a PC, and these are the gadgets that we decided to buy along in it. So the computer is kind of all new, because we decided to buy the CPU, the screen, and then we buy also some of the gadgets that needing along with it. So these are the gadgets that needed in our PC to run. So it comes from D&H and in New York, and then we bought it there because that's usually our company that we buy some stuffs when it comes to photography. Now we have this unboxing. So just oh, look at that, so that the things inside will not be broken before that one. We have this one, and we have this one, and this one. Now, first we can see is the MX case is the Monster series by Logitech. It's Logitech. See, Logitech. It's keyboard with keyboard that will work in our PC. So we are going to open that one. We have another one box here, which is the Samsung portable SSD. So they have a TV Shield 4 terabyte, T7 Shield 4 terabyte. This is a hardware. Okay, it's very, very cute. Wow. And then this is what we called the multimedia hub adapter, 8 ports with power delivery 3. So it means to say that this one is the latest, greatest portable hub. So it's made by EasyQuest, and the receipts, oh my god, receipts is really, it costs very, 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 very. So it's a lot. So that's it. So we need to open now this, how do you call this, the keyboard. The keyboard. Okay. It's the keyboard. Then we need to open the other side. So it will really open that one. Oh, it comes in the other one side only. So if you're going to open it, so this is the keyboard for our latest technology, latest modern PC. So this is the keyboard. It's a little bit heavier compared to Mac, because the Mac is kind of 3/4 of this one is the Mac keyboard. So what else we have there? We need to look at this one. And then so we have, oh, it's the Bluetooth. So we can operate this one through using the Bluetooth, and it's just going to your computer. And then this is the instruction. So we need to read that one, reading the instruction before putting the gadgets together with your PC. So this is Logitech, made by Logitech. And then these are the instructions here. So I need to read this one for me to hook it up very, very nicely. And okay, so this is my Bluetooth, and then it comes with there. And then this is the keypad, or the keyboard rather. And then some of the keyboard they have a for the USB, and then sometimes they don't have USB because they have battery. So that's it. Keyboard. Yee, my keyboard, new keyboard for our PC. So we'll be running PC for the next 10 years. Right? Okay. Now the other one, we need to open this one because this is the unboxing. You know, I'm just amazed. The size of it is just so little, very little. So maybe we can see it. Okay, look at this. Look at this. This is our it's the, I think, oh, look at that, Samsung external drive. Oh, okay, look at the size of this one, and this is 4 terabyte, and it's really, really amazing. So cute. I thought it's big, but it's so cute. And we have the USB, the cables here for hooking it up to our computer. This one, and then this one has 2 of this, and then they always put the instruction inside. Portable SSD, made by Samsung. So Samsung Electronics Corporation. That's it. So I need to read the instruction there, and before hooking it into my main CPU. Okay. So, so it says the cable should be inside. So put the cable there. So you're organized. Because I just clean up my thing, my jiggy. See? Oh. Oh. Seems complicated. Oh. See? So I need to put it back so I can open the other boxes. So I need to do it because it's already 3 days we're waiting because I need to clean up our room first, our office. So before putting the thing, the computer, because must be already in a nice position before deciding where it's gonna be, where are you going to put that one. So this is it. This is the Samsung, and there's for the and this is it. So there. And then we are going to open this one. Open this one. So we'll know what is inside, and that's it. It's the portable USB, multimedia USB hub. Why it's needed? Because when you transfer your photos or your videos, you need to put this one, hook it up in this one, and hook it up in your computer, and you can already transfer your images or your videos. So this is it, the Easy Quest. So it's kind of very nice, a little space. Okay, so this is our, then I need to put back this one because I need to put it back outside. So have them, otherwise we will be full of stuff here. Okay, that's